Hi guys, this is Coach Green Jean, and I'm here to let you know that it is time to raise the standard by letting you know that skill sets are not an option, and to ask the question, how are our youth prepared to make connections into the world? To feed, clothe, shelter, heal, and protect. These were indigenous principles at one time that prepared young people not only to uphold value, but also to take responsibility, to honor, respect, and to care for their families, their community, and their local environments. You see, a multitude of skill sets will assist youth with overcoming life's obstacles and challenges, and more importantly, set them up to make a personal impact that will create a sustainable access for future generations. So, no matter your youth's career choice, at 3H Intro into Pre-Apprenticeship, we help youth make connections into the world with their head, their hands, and their heart in order to build sustainable pathways. We choose to use construction and safety as a tool to reshape the narrative, restoring the dignity of labor. We build legacy.